Ever pondered on which creature holds the title for the loudest in our vast animal kingdom? You might be picturing a mighty lion or perhaps a massive elephant. Surprisingly, it's a tiny dweller of the ocean depths, the pistol shrimp. This unassuming crustacean, no larger than 2 centimeters, possesses an extraordinary talent. When it snaps its claws shut, it orchestrates a symphony of sound that transcends the roar of a lion, the trumpeting of an elephant, and even the sonic boom of a Concorde jet. Yes, you heard it right, a shrimp outperforms a jet. The secret to the pistol shrimp's sonic prowess lies in the bubble it creates. As it shuts its claw with lightning speed, it ejects a high-velocity jet of water, forming a bubble. As this bubble collapses, it generates a shock wave that can reach a staggering 230 decibels, louder than the crack of a gunshot echoing through the air. But the marvel doesn't stop there. The collapsing bubble also creates a burst of heat, reaching temperatures of 4,400 degrees Celsius. To put that into perspective, that's nearly as hot as the surface of the sun. This intense heat, combined with the shock wave, is the pistol shrimp's method of hunting, effectively taking out its prey. So the next time you find yourself marveling at the power of the lion's roar, or the thunderous trumpet of an elephant, spare a thought for the humble pistol shrimp. A tiny creature that packs not only a punch, but a sonic boom and a sun's worth of heat. This little shrimp truly shows us that size
Know that the tongue of a blue whale weighs as much as an elephant? That's right! These ocean behemoths possess tongues that can tip the scales at an astonishing 4,400 pounds, about the weight of a small car. Picture that for a moment, a creature with a tongue that's heavier than most vehicles on the road. But it's not just the size that's impressive, it's also how a blue whale uses its colossal tongue. Primarily, their tongues serve a vital role in their feeding process. Blue whales are big fans of krill, tiny shrimp-like creatures that swarm in the ocean's depths. To feed, a blue whale will take a massive gulp of water, swelling its mouth and tongue to accommodate the influx. The krill-filled water is then squeezed out through the baleen plates, a sort of built-in sieve in the whale's mouth, trapping the tasty krill inside. With this efficient feeding mechanism, a blue whale can consume up to 4 tons of krill in a single day. That's equivalent to around 16,000 Big Macs. So, to summarize, a blue whale's tongue is not just noteworthy for its size, but also for its crucial role in the whale's survival. It's a massive muscular tool that helps the largest animal on the earth sustain its size by consuming tons of food every day. Remember, the tongue of a blue whale weighs as much as an elephant, and it's used every day to gulp down huge amounts of krill. This remarkable creature truly exemplifies the wonders of the natural world. Subscribe to our channel for more fascinating animal facts.
To consider that the honeybee buzzing past your ear might recognize your face. Yes, you heard it correctly. Those tiny industrious creatures we often take for granted have the cognitive ability to recognize human faces. It's a fascinating world, isn't it? In a groundbreaking study, researchers have discovered that honeybees can associate human faces with rewards. The experiment involved presenting bees with pictures of human faces. Some faces were associated with a sweet sugary solution, while others were paired with a bitter quinine solution. Over time, the bees began to recognize and remember the faces associated with the sweet reward, demonstrating an impressive form of visual learning. These tiny insects, with brains the size of a sesame seed, were able to create an association between the positive reward and specific human facial features. They would then remember these faces and associate them with the prospect of a reward. The next time the same face was presented without any reward, the bees would hover around the image, anticipating the sweet treat. This research has profound implications, challenging our assumptions about animal intelligence and cognition. It is a testament to the intricate complexity of nature and the creatures that inhabit our world. So, to summarize this fascinating discovery, honeybees, despite their tiny brains, can successfully associate human faces with rewards. They can remember and recognize these faces, showing an impressive form of visual learning. The next time a honeybee buzzes past you, it might not be random. It could just be that the bee recognizes your face and is expecting a sweet reward. This is yet another reminder of the intricate complexity of the animal kingdom and the remarkable cognitive abilities of creatures we often underestimate. The world of honeybees is more complex than we ever imagined.
Did you know there's an octopus that can mimic other marine creatures? It's called the mimic octopus, and it's one of the most fascinating creatures in the underwater world. The mimic octopus is a native of the Indo-Pacific region, where it spends its days in a world filled with predators and prey. Survival in this environment isn't easy, but the mimic octopus has a secret weapon, an ability to change its appearance, taking on the form of other marine creatures. Imagine having a built-in wardrobe of costumes, each one a different animal. That's the everyday reality for the mimic octopus. But how does it do it? The mimic octopus changes its body shape, color, and texture to resemble various animals. These can range from flatfish to lionfish and even sea snakes. It's an incredible feat, achieved by altering its skin pigments and adjusting its posture. It's not just about looking like other creatures, though. The mimic octopus also mimics their movements and patterns. Whether it's hunting for its next meal or trying to avoid becoming one, the mimic octopus uses its mimicry to fool those around it. It's a clever strategy that helps it survive in an environment where danger can lurk around every coral. But don't be fooled into thinking the mimic octopus is trying to trick you. Its mimicry isn't about deception, but survival. It's using its remarkable abilities to navigate its complex underwater world, and it does it with a flair that would make any actor jealous. So next time you're marveling at the wonders of the underwater world, spare a thought for the mimic octopus. It's not just an octopus, but a flatfish, a lionfish, a sea snake, and so much more. Its ability to mimic other creatures is a testament to the extraordinary adaptability of life on our planet. In summary, the mimic octopus is a master of disguise, using its ability to change shape, color, and texture to mimic a variety of marine creatures. It's not trying to deceive, but simply using its remarkable abilities to survive in a complex underwater environment. It's a creature that truly embodies the wonder and diversity of our natural world. That's it for today's episode of Cool Animal Facts to Impress Your Mom. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more fascinating insights into the animal kingdom. Until next time, keep exploring.